Do you have a dream of scoring up to 75 by 75 in intermediate mathematics? Do you want the pass guarantee intensive classes or videos? Then please like, share, subscribe our VEDHA online classes. Today we are going to learn the most important long answer questions from the addition of vectors. Before COVID, we don't have the long answer questions from the addition of vectors. We had only 2 marks questions and 4 marks questions. That is very short answer questions as well as short answer questions. For the exams of 2021 and 2022 examinations, so we are going to get the long answer questions also. Now we are going to learn the long answer questions from the addition of vectors. In this video, I am going to explain you the most important LIQ board model paper for 2021 and 2022 examination question from the addition of vector. This is LIQ here. Find the equation of the plane passing through the points 4i minus 3j minus k, 3i plus 7j minus 10k and 2i plus 5j minus 7k, and show that the point I plus 2j minus 3k lies in the plane. Okay, how do we solve this question? Okay, so now I'm taking here, let the given points are. So I'm taking the given points, all the given points. This is this point I'm taking as A, and this as B, this as C, and this as D. So whatever the points are given in the question, I'm taking them as A, B, C, D. A is equals to 4i minus 3j minus k. B vector as 3i plus 7j minus 10k, C point as 2i plus 5j minus 7k, and the point D is I plus 2j minus 3k. Equation of the plane passing through ABC. We have the formula for finding the equation of the plane passing through ABC, that is R is equals to 1 minus S minus T into A bar plus S into B bar plus T into C bar. This is the formula for finding the equation of the plane passing through the 3 points A, B, C. Okay, now I am substituting the value of A, B, C vectors here. R is equals to 1 minus S minus T into A bar. A vector I am substituting 4i minus 3j minus k plus S into B. So that is nothing but B vector. I written here 3i plus 7j minus 10k plus T into C is nothing but I am writing the C vector here 2i plus 5j minus 7k. But given that the D point, okay, so D point lies in the plane. D point lies in the plane. If the D point lies in the same plane, then it satisfies the equation 1. Okay, now I am taking the D point here. So D is equals to I plus 2j minus 3k equals to 1 minus S into T into 4i minus 3j plus minus k plus S into 3i plus 7j minus 10k plus T into 2i plus 5j minus 7k. Okay, just I am simplifying here. Okay, so 1 minus S minus T into this I coefficient. That means 4 into 1 minus S minus T. I coefficient, I am taking I common. So just to multiply I term and write that. Okay, other than I. So we get 3s here. And after that in this we get 2t. Okay, I written 2t into I. Next multiply with j here. So minus 3 into 1 minus S minus T. So minus 3 into 1 minus S minus T. Next S into 7j. 7s we are written here. And T into 5j. Okay, so that means 5t. Okay, so we took j common here, so into j we are written here, and after that I am going to take the common k. Okay, 1 minus S minus T into minus 1 I written here, minus 1 into 1 minus S minus T. Then okay, so k term S into minus 10k minus 10 sk. So other than k minus 10s. Next here T into minus 7k, that is minus 7t into k, so minus 7t. So k is common here. Ijk Okay, we took common and try to simplify inside. Okay, 4 into 1 is 4 minus 4s minus 4t written here, and 3s 2t as it is written into I, minus 3 into 1 minus 3, minus 3 into minus s becomes plus s, minus into minus plus, minus 3 into minus t is plus 3 plus 3t, okay, written as it is, and 7s as it is, 5t as it is into j, minus 1 into 1 is minus 1, minus into minus plus s, minus into minus plus t, and minus 10s minus 7t, okay, written as it is into k. After that, okay, so adding the I coefficients, okay, minus 4s plus 3s, that is minus s, and minus 4t plus 2t, that is minus 2t, and plus 4 is as it is into I as it is. Now add the s terms here. 3s and 7s is 10s, and 3t and 5t, that is 8t, and minus 3 as it is into j. Next, add the s terms here. S minus 10s is minus 9s, and t minus 7t, that is minus 60, and minus 1 as it is, and whole, okay, so into k, into k. This is I am taking that as equation number 2. And by comparing ijk coefficient, we have to compare ijk coefficients in, okay, both sides, okay, left side as well as right side. When we compare the ijk coefficient, I coefficient with I coefficient here, so a minus s minus t plus 4 is equal to I coefficient. Okay, so we don't have I coefficient, means here into 1, nothing is there, means into 1, so we equated to 1. After that, s coefficient is negative. Whenever the, okay, so coefficient, s coefficient first term is negative, take them right side. Okay, that means it becomes plus s and plus 2t and minus 4, okay, written as it is, and this plus 1 as it is, since we took them right side, but we are writing in the left side only, equal to 0. Okay, so and s plus 2t minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3. Then equating the j coefficients also here, j coefficient 2, and right side j coefficient is 10s plus 8t minus 3, okay, is equal to 2, and take this 2 to left side. Since s first term is positive, left side, take the right side term to left side, so plus 2 becomes a minus 2, minus 2 and minus 3 constants, adding the constants gives the minus 5. Okay, and after that, I am taking the k coefficient here, minus 9s minus 60 minus 1 is the k coefficient in the right side, and left side k coefficient is minus 3. Okay, writing that minus 3, and here s coefficient is negative, taking them to right side, so it becomes positive. So that means minus 9s becomes plus, and minus 60 becomes plus 60, plus 1 minus 1 becomes plus 1, and minus 3 as it is equal to 0. 9s plus 60, 1 minus 3 is minus 2, equal to 0. This is equation number 5. Now I am going to solve the any two equations. I am going to solve the equation 3 and 4 now. Okay, if we solve the equation 3 and 4, solving the equation 3 and 4, yes, t and 1. Okay, start with the coefficients. Okay, how do we take the coefficient? Start with the t coefficient and end with the t coefficient. 2 minus 3 1 2, 2 minus 3 1 2, 2 minus 3 1 2. Okay, so we did the same thing here. Okay, so for the fourth equation also I took the same thing here. Okay, so start with the t coefficient and end with the t coefficient. 8 minus 5 10 and 2. After that, multiplying the AD minus BC, product of these two minus these two, product of these two minus these two minus these two. We could take extra minus extra. Okay, and s divided by 2 into minus 5, that is minus 10, minus 3 8 is the 24, minus 24 into minus plus 24. T divided by minus 3 into 10 is minus 30, and minus into minus plus 1 5 so 5 is equals to 1 divided by 1 into 8 is 8, minus 2 10s are 20. So that means s divided by minus 10 plus 24 is 14, and s t divided by minus 25 is equals to minus 1 by 12 it is. Okay, 1 divided by 8 minus 20 is minus 12, minus 12. Okay, so we are bigger number is negative, so we write the negative sign, and we write the minus sign always in the numerator. Okay, and equate both the terms with the constants. S by 14 equals to minus 1 by 12, or t by minus 25 is equals to minus 1 by 12. So here we can cancel by 2 table 2 6 times, 2 7 times. Okay, so I am equating here, and s is equal 7 is dividing here. If you take it that side, multiply 7 into minus 1 by 6, that is minus 1 7 by 6. So s is equals to minus 7 by 6, and t value. Okay, so here t by minus 25 is equals to minus 1 by 12, and minus 25 I am taking to that side. So here it is dividing. If you take it to that side, multiplies. Okay, t is equals to minus 25 into minus 1 by 12. So that means minus into minus plus 25 and the 25 by 12. Okay, I am substituting the s and t values. Substituting s and t values in equation 5. In equation 5, we solved the equation 3 and 4. Solved the equation 3 and 4. Now I am substituting in equation 5. So just for confirmation. Okay, so now I am substituting the equation 5. So s value minus 7 by 6, so t value 25 by 12. So 9s plus 60 minus 2 is equal to 0. So I written equal to 0 also. Okay, we'll check whether the value is equal to 0 or not. Okay, so here we can cancel by 3 table here. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 7s are 21, minus 21 written here, divided by 2, and 25 by 2 as it is, minus 2 is equal to 0. Take the LCM here, LCM is 2, and whenever we have the LCM 2, so denominator as we have 2, so write the minus 21 as it is, and 25 also as it is, and 2 into 2, that is minus 4, equal to 0, and 25 as it is I written here, minus 21 minus 4 is minus 25. Minus 25 plus 25 gets cancelled, 0 by 2, that is nothing but 0 here. 0 by something is 0. So 0 equals to 0. So it is satisfied the equation. Satisfied the equation. Therefore, the given point D of so D I plus 2j minus 3k lies in the plane. Okay, this is the final answer. If you want the more marks, 75 by 75 or pass guarantee intensive classes or videos, then please like, share, subscribe our VEDHA online classes, and don't forget to comment below the video about the class. Thank you for watching. Have a great preparation.